Alright, I just got back from that nest there and it was cold, it was rainy, icy, wet, and I was chilled to the bone. But now I've got a cup of tea, I got the fire going and settling in to watch the footage. I came across this about 2 weeks ago and didn't have all the tools with me to do a thorough inspection. I assumed that the nest was empty. Turns out it was not, so I was really excited. This is the perfect time to go out looking for nests because the cavities or the propolis cavities are really easy to spot now that the leaves are off the trees. So I encourage you to get out there and have a look and find nests for yourselves. You know, it's a great way to figure out how to catch swarms in the spring. If you like what I do, I have a Patreon page. It's $3 a month, and that goes towards all the work that I do. I don't charge for the log hives, I don't charge for the bees. I do the relocations for free. And, you know, it's a great hobby. So anyway, enjoy this, and I hope you get as much pleasure out of it as I do. Thanks. And I never leave home without my Gränsforsbruk Swedish hatchet. That always gets me out of trouble. Look at this thing, it's a big thick trunk. This is a Oregon white ash. Peeing down rain today, perfect time to go out looking for nests. That's where we're going. We're going to go up there. I've got my little scope in here, my fancy ladders, and always remember that when you're out in the woods hunting for nests, wear a safety jacket, a fluorescent one, not just for your safety but also so that you kind of look important when you're waving an axe around or your scope or your camera. People will probably just end up leaving you alone. And if you really want to look important, grab yourself a clipboard as well. Okay, let's get up here. Okay, so you can see this is what I was able to spot with my scope. This is propolis around here from the previous bees. I don't think there's any bees in here. But you know, this is a perfect time to be out looking for nests because see that? No leaves. Makes it a lot easier to find these cavities that have this propolis around the edges here. You can see all the previous activity in here. So let's have a wee look inside. I'm gonna get my scope and see what's down here. It's pretty cold. It's about 35 degrees. My hands are cold, I'm bloody shaking. But this is worth it. Oh my God, see that there? See the bee there? Woohoo! We have a live nest. Oh, this is brilliant. Let me see if I can. Oh, I didn't think I would see that. Can you see? Oh, yeah, beauty. Look at all that propolis as well here, see? Oh, this has made my day. This is why I come hunting in the woods. Oh, check it out. Oh. Look at that. Oh, okay. Hello, girls.
just me, 18 bees, having a wee look around your beautiful little house. I bet you've got some delicious honey down there, haven't you? Well, I know where I'm going to be putting some swarm traps. Oh, by the way, on that issue too, when it comes to, like, if I find a nest like this, I'll put up about 4 swarm traps, like a perimeter around the tree or the nest. Let's see if I can get in there. To kind of like double my chances. Wow, look at these guys, they're busy. Uh-oh. Huh, look at that. So yeah, I put them around the perimeter, so that if they do swarm, I get a chance. I mean, more the merrier, right? 4 boxes, 10 boxes, because it's still cheaper than buying bees these days. I mean, we're talking about almost $200 for a nook, and these bees popped up and they had some varroa on them. Well, I'd like to stick around, but I can't. I'm just getting too cold now. This rain is kind of icy. Oh well, so anyway, success. Ooh, look at that. Oh, now here they come. Yeah. See that there? I mean, that's 35 degrees, remember. Those are lovely looking bees, eh? Oh, is that a varroa there? No, on the side. No, it's not, is it? Okay. Well, I was so excited by just admiring this propolis here, and of course the bees inside there, that I completely ignored this. Look at that. I thought that was actually a fire or something, but no, look at that propolis. Now look at this. Oh, here we go. What is this? Look at this. It's a huge entrance. Oh my god, look at this. Unreal. This is like from Alien Predator scene. Wow. Oh, they're out. They're out. They're not happy with me. Look at that. Nah, they're happy with me. Whoa! Look what? I can't even speak. See what happens when you just go for a walk in the woods and you look up? So now that we've got this nest here, one other little tip is that I found, where I found one nest, I found another cavity or a nest within 50 feet to 100 feet. So I'm going to keep walking down here to see if I can spot. I'm going to get a cup of coffee first. Alright, cheers guys, happy hunting for bees. And remember, if you do find nests, don't cut into the tree, don't destroy the nest. Just, if you want the bees, just set up a bait box and see if you can get a swarm, because the bait boxes are kind of like swarm habitat. That's how I look at it as being. Because when they swarm and they don't find a good location, that they're probably going to die. So you're providing them a great location by putting the box up in the first place. And then if you transfer it, I transfer mine into logs to try and kind of replicate the natural environment. So, all right, cheers, bye.